Toyota's BZ production story in Japan gives this electric vehicle a deeper meaning than just another battery-powered crossover entering the market. Built at the Motomachi Plant, one of Toyota's most respected manufacturing sites, the BZ comes from a facility known for advanced engineering, careful craftsmanship, and some of the company's most important vehicles. The Motomachi plant is located in Toyota City, Aichi Prefecture, and it has been part of Toyota's manufacturing history since 1959. Over the years, this plant has produced everything from luxury models to performance cars and advanced electrified vehicles. That makes it a fitting home for the Toyota BZ, because this model represents Toyota's move into a more serious battery electric future while still carrying the brand's traditional focus on quality and reliability. What makes the Motomachi plant interesting is the mix of vehicles built there. It is not just a simple high-volume factory. It has handled models such as the Toyota Century, Toyota Crown, Toyota Mirai, Lexus RZ, GR Yaris, GR Corolla, and Toyota BZ 4X. That mix tells you a lot about the plant's role inside Toyota. Motomachi is trusted with vehicles that require extra attention, special production methods, and higher levels of precision. For the Toyota BZ, production at Motomachi is important because electric vehicles require different assembly processes compared with traditional gasoline-powered cars. The battery pack, electric motor systems, high-voltage components, software controls, and body structure all have to work together with tight accuracy. The battery is mounted low in the vehicle floor, helping improve the center of gravity and creating a more stable driving feel. This also means the production line has to be carefully designed to handle battery installation, safety checks, and quality inspections. Toyota also uses Motomachi as a place where newer production ideas can be tested and refined. The company has often taken a careful approach to electric vehicles, focusing on long-term durability instead of rushing into the market. That philosophy fits the BZ well. Toyota wanted the vehicle to feel familiar to everyday drivers while still offering the benefits of a dedicated battery electric platform. Another important part of this story is sustainability. Toyota has worked to reduce carbon dioxide emissions during vehicle production, and the Motomachi plant plays a role in that strategy. For the BZ, Toyota has used renewable energy sources in parts of the manufacturing process, supporting the company's broader goal of lowering the environmental impact of production. For viewers, this is a key detail, because the story is not only about an electric vehicle on the road, but also about how that vehicle is built before it reaches customers. The BZ was developed as part of Toyota's Beyond Zero vision. The idea is not just to remove tailpipe emissions, but to create vehicles that fit into a cleaner mobility future. That includes battery electric models, hybrid vehicles, plug-in hybrid vehicles, and hydrogen fuel cell vehicles. Toyota's strategy is different from companies that focus only on battery electric cars. Instead, Toyota is spreading its technology across several types of powertrains, depending on market needs, charging infrastructure, and customer driving habits. At Motomachi, the BZ benefits from Toyota's production culture, which places a major focus on consistency and problem solving. Workers and engineers look for small improvements throughout the process, and quality checks are built into every stage. This is one reason Toyota vehicles have built a strong reputation over many decades. Even as the company moves toward electric vehicles, that same production mindset continues. The Toyota BZ also shares a connection with Subaru through the related Subaru Solterra. Both models were developed with a focus on electric all-wheel drive capability, safety, and daily usability. This partnership helped Toyota bring an electric crossover to market while combining Toyota's electrification knowledge with Subaru's experience in traction and stability systems. For buyers and fans, the Motomachi connection gives the Toyota BZ a stronger identity. It is not just a new electric crossover with a Toyota badge. It is a vehicle coming from a plant that has built some of Toyota's most technically important cars. That makes the production story worth paying attention to, especially as Toyota prepares for more electric vehicles in the years ahead. The big takeaway is simple. Toyota's BZ production at the Motomachi Plant shows how the company is blending its long-standing manufacturing discipline with a newer electric vehicle future. The BZ may not be the loudest or flashiest electric vehicle on the market, but it is built with the same careful process that has shaped Toyota's reputation for durability, efficiency, and trust.